a boat designed so you can hang on while you're all over the place. Because if the boat is moving and you're trying to do your business, you don't even have to turn the agitator. So today I get the pleasure, I guess you can call it the pleasure, of pumping out the holding tanks for the heads. I'm so looking forward to it. So here's our forward head. It's pretty gross in there, huh? Close up? Ooh, yuck! Doesn't really work. Doing something, but I can't really tell what, other than being really gross. But since we're pulling these out to put in a composting head, I don't really care. I just want to get this part empty right here. So this is the forward holding tank. And you can see it's full. It has probably been full for like 10 years. Yuck. Let's go look at the rear one. The rear head. Here's the rear one. Right here. Pump away. This one is also full. And so I'm going to go and pump them out. So I asked around at the marina here if there was a service that people use to come down and empty the heads, and one guy says, "Oh no, we have our own pumping unit. This is where it is." He went and showed it to me. He says, "Yeah, you just hook this up to your boat, pump it all out, go over here and drain it." So I'm going to attempt to do this today. So I'm being corrected. Okay, so this is the unit right here. So pump ahead. Pump ahead. So it's got a valve here. There's some fittings that you put on your boat. Fills that thing up. So I hope the hose is long enough. So this is the forward head right here. And I just got this adapter. Looks like it fits in there okay. Creates a seal. So now I'm going to stretch the hose out and see what happens. There were no instructions about priming it. Let's go see if we're still attached. Still attached. I might need to get some help. I'm going to go see if I can get a hand figuring this thing out.
Figuring it out. So the sewer has been in the boat for a really long time. One of the pump out hoses is cracked, so we can't get one of them pumped out, so we got to figure that out. Yep, adventures in poop.
That's where it goes out of the boat. That is the nasty hole right there. I either fixed that, or what the other guy suggested was, hey, what we need to do is come down here to the bag, the bladder, right here, and take this joint off right here, and just pump it out directly there. So that's going to be a two-person job. Hey honey, is it okay if we just pump it right out of the bladder bag down here instead?
No.
You don't want to be the one that holds it down here? Alright, well, since that's not going to be the best option in the world, I guess I'm going to try to go to Home Depot and see what I can find to connect this together in a temporary fashion. See if I can't create a jerry rig to pump the poop from the potty tank. Okay, so I went to Lowe's, bought a variety of things to try to make this work, and what I found was this rubber thing right here, 1.5 inch one, actually fits pretty good. So I'm going to tighten that sucker down, give the pump some pumps, and see if anything comes out. Well, that looks like that's about it. Pump up here, turn the valve on, go inside and check it out.
That means we can go to the bathroom again?
Definitely a lot more flat. Yeah, here's Funky with a hole underneath. That's empty. Woohoo! We did it! I'm gonna pull the bladder out.
Ah.
Yeah.